Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home and healthy. Also, you are eating a very healthy food at home, right, with your family members. So today I am here to teach you EVS, the first chapter from Holy Faith textbook. What plants life? Okay, plants life. So let us learn or let us know what kind of plants are there around us. हमारे आसपास बहुत तरह के प्लांट्स होते हैं, ठीक है. Some are big, some are small, ठीक है. Some are in different shapes, right? And such kind of things it gives us, like it gives food, right? Some are medicinal, okay. Some gives vegetables, some gives fruits. So lots of things we are getting from the plants, right? So it is very useful in our life. हमारे लाइफ में बहुत ही ये प्लांट्स जो हमारे आसपास है, जिसके बीच हम रह रहे हैं, नेचुरल प्लांट्स के बीच में, वो हमारे लिए हमारे डेली लाइफ में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज इन प्लांट्स के बगैर वी कैनॉट सर्वाइव. वो क्योंकि it gives us a lot in our daily life. So let us start our new lesson in EVS. The name of the chapter is Plant Life, right? So kinds of plants. As I told you, there are different types of plants are there on this earth, right? इस बड़े से धरती पे बहुत सारे तरह-तरह के पेड़ पौधे हैं. लेकिन हम पेड़ किसे कहते हैं, पौधे किसे कहते हैं, बेल किसे कहते हैं, so हम वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So let us learn through this lesson, right? So I have written something on the board, that is there are different kinds of plants. ठीक है, बहुत तरह के different मतलब अलग अलग तरह के पेड़ पौधे हमारे दुनिया में बसे हुए हैं. Plants differ in size, shape and color. All plants are in different size. It comes in a different shape and it has a different color also. कभी-कभी तो पत्तों के कलर भी अलग होते हैं. सभी पेड़ों के कलर ग्रीन, पत्तों के कलर ग्रीन नहीं होते हैं. कभी कुछ पेड़ों के कलर, पत्तों के कलर अलग हुआ करते हैं. So सभी पेड़ पौधे जो है, it's are not in same size, shape and color. It has different size, color and shape. Okay. There are trees, shrubs and herbs, right? So हमारे यहाँ पे we have three types of, well means more than that we have the types of plants. One is called trees, पेड़ पौधे, ठीक है, shrubs and herbs. Okay, कुछ plants होते हैं जो medicinal होते हैं, यानी कि औषधि होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि तुलसी होती है, पुदीन हरा होता है. फिर कुछ होते हैं shrubs जो जिसकी कद कुछ लंबाई तक ही होती है, उससे वो बढ़ता नहीं है. कुछ पौधे होते हैं जो पेड़ से जितने बड़े होते नहीं है, ठीक है. There are climbers, creepers and dryers. Let us know about this plants, right? कुछ होते हैं जो जमीन पर फैलती है, like मनी प्लांट, वाटरमेलन, cucumber, right? और कुछ ऐसे पौधे होते हैं जो प्लांट्स होते हैं जो धरती पर फैल जाती है, बेल की तरह, ठीक है. तो कैसे तरह के हैं? One is tree, second is shrub, herbs and then creepers and what is called climber and dryer. So let us learn one by one. Okay. So let us start the next part, that is the first type of the plant, right? We are going to see, I have one picture that you can see here, see, right? This is called tree. It is tall and strong, right? So this is called tree, right? So here I have drawn some pictures, right? This is a mango tree. This is an apple tree and this is a papaya. Okay. So तीनों में थोड़े अंतर है, थोड़े से डिफरेंट दिखते हैं. So let us read. I have written something here. These are trees. These all are called trees, right? These are big एक ही और बड़ा और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. ओके. Their stems are mostly stiff and woody. लकड़ी का जैसा और बहुत ही वो स्ट्रॉन्ग यानी कि कठोर होता है. वो एक ही होता है ऊंचा, वो बहुत ही कठोर होता है. Most trees have branches. कुछ यानी कि ऑलमोस्ट सभी पेड़ों के अलग अलग टहनियां होती है. कभी कभार हम उस टहनी पे झूला बांधकर झूलते भी हैं, तो उसे जो ब्रांचेस होते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? टहनियां. ठीक है. Trees like papaya have no branch, right? Trees like papaya, papaya के जो होते हैं वो ट्री की कैटेगरी में होते हैं, पर उसके अलग अलग ब्रांचेस होते नहीं है. वो सीधे it grows tall, right? And you can see here some papayas have grown here, right? और उसके ये पत्ते होते हैं. So these are known as the tree category. The first category which I have seen that is tree, right? पेड़. Right, mango tree, apple tree and papaya tree. So हमने that what is called? It is big and tall. Right. Now next we will see the shrubs. Right. Okay. So our next topic is shrubs. Shrubs means this is called shrub. Okay, it is not only one kind of shrub. There are different types of shrubs are there. Just this is an example which I am showing here in this picture, right? So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, shrubs. Here are some shrubs. Okay, hibiscus, rose plant, hibiscus. ठीक है, वो सब plants जो होते हैं उनकी एक हद तक हाइट बढ़ती है. Okay, after that it cannot grow like a tall tree, right? So we call these plants shrub. Okay, so hibiscus, rose, tulsi, these all plants which grows into certain height only. So that kind of plants are called shrubs. Okay, shrubs are smaller than trees. These all kinds of shrubs are smaller. Height wise it is smaller than the tree because trees are all tall and big, right? Shrubs have several stems. The shrubs, okay, this all kind of shrubs have several stems. Okay, later I will write and show you what is called stems. Okay, these stems rise from ground. Okay, the stems जो मेन हिस्सा होता है, एक लंबा सा पतला हिस्सा जो ग्राउंड के अंदर से shrubs का निकलता है, that is called shrubs. Okay, that is called stems. So these stems rise from ground. अंदर से ग्राउंड के अंदर से निकलता है. The branches of the shrubs are close to each other. Okay, ये जो टहनी होती है छोटे छोटे पतले shrubs के, वो एक दूसरे से जुड़े होते हैं. So these plants look like bushes. So ये सारी जो पौधे होते हैं वो एक झड़ी की तरह दिखती है. You can see here in this picture it has no height. Okay, वो बहुत लंबा नहीं है और यहाँ से एक पतला सा स्टेम्स उसका बाहर आता है और उसके पतले पतले जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते हैं वैसे यहाँ पे उनका टहनियाँ होती है और स्प्रेड होकर छोटे हाइट में ही रहती है. So this is called shrub. Okay, so I am going to explain you what is stem now. I will write and show you what is called stem. Okay, so let us understand what is stem. Okay, this is called stem of shrub. Okay, ये जो छोटी सी पतली सी टहनी होती है जो ग्राउंड के अंदर से निकलती है and you can see a small branches you can see here. It is only stem but it is not strong like a tree, right? So let us understand stem, the main long thin part of a plant. It is the main thin long part of the plant of the shrub. Okay, above the ground, जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर से यानी कि जो हम लोग ग्राउंड होती है उसके ऊपर वो एक सिंगल ही ऊपर उगता है. ठीक है, from which the leaves or flowers grow, जिसके ऊपर से छोटे छोटे पत्ते उगते हैं और उसके बाद उसमें फ्रूट्स या फ्लावर्स लगते हैं. So this is not tall, it is not strong as like a tall trees में होती है, वैसे ही ये बहुत पतला होता है and it is thin and it is not strong, right? So what is stem? The main long thin part of a plant above the ground from which the leaves or flowers grow. Now let us see what is herb. So last we have seen two types of plants, right? Which is one is tree and shrub, right? Now we are going to study all the herbs, right? H-E-R-B-S, herbs. आप सबने पिज्जा तो खाया होगा, राइट? हम पिज्जा खाते हैं घर पे, बटर गार्लिक ब्रेड खाते हैं. सो उसके ऊपर हम कुछ वी स्प्रेड समथिंग, राइट? व्हाट? समथिंग ऑरेगानो, राइट? वो सब क्या है? Oregano, basil leaves, herbs, right? These all small plants are called herbs. Some plants are medicinal also, right? So here I have written some names: cabbage, mint, carrot, lady's finger. So these all are comes in the herbs category, right? These are called herbs. Herbs are smaller than shrub. जो shrub जिस ऊंचाई से बढ़ती है, right? herbs उससे भी छोटा होता है, उससे बड़ा होता नहीं है. हार्डली इट इज कम से कम 1 मीटर जितना ही, 1 मीटर से भी छोटा होता है, ठीक है? They have soft stems. As I told you, जमीन के अंदर से जो उसकी बड़ी सी एक टहनी निकलती है, वही उसका मेन पार्ट होता है, ठीक है? उसमें से फिर पतला पतला सा छोटा छोटा टहनी उसकी निकलती है. Then all leaves and flowers and fruits grow up, right? So they live for some season only. कुछ herbs होते हैं जो सिर्फ सीजन में ही उगती है, just like पुदीना. Now you can see पुदीना everywhere, right? वो कुछ टाइम के बाद गायब हो जाएगा, right? फिर वैसा ही कैबेज. कैबेज जो होती है एक सीजन में रहती है, उसके बाद वो फल फूल देने के बाद आपको it will disappear. Then carrot, lady's finger. This all comes in a certain time. It gives its fruits and seeds and then it will disappear. So it leaves for a season only. They die down after flowering and seeding, right? वो मर जाते हैं, मतलब उसका फल देने के बाद वो एक टाइम के बाद वो नष्ट हो जाते हैं. So what we have learned here, these are called herbs. सिर्फ ये चार herbs नहीं है. There are many herbs. Later I will write it on the board. How many plants, how many trees are there? Then herbs, shrubs, and climbers. Right? So I will write it down one by one name so you can practice at home. Okay? So now we are just for the example. I have written here cabbage, mint, carrot, lady's finger. These are called herbs. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. They have soft stems. They live for some season. They die down after flowering and seeding. So now we will go to the one next topic, that is climber. Okay? Yes. Can you say this? Our next topic is this. I know that what you are thinking. This may be jungle. It's look like a jungle, right? But I'm not showing you a jungle. You can see some things climb up on the tree. देख रहे हैं आप? इसके ऊपर से कुछ बेल इस पेड़ पे बन चुके हैं. So our next topic is climber. हमने क्या क्या देखा? First we have seen, we have learned trees, shrubs, herbs. Now our next topic is climbers, right? So climbers, what is climbers? See these plants, okay? See these plants means some of the plants I have drawn on the board. That is pea, okay? Bean plant, grapevine, okay? So grapevines, bean, मटर, pea means मटर, ठीक है? मटर के आप देखेंगे छोटे छोटे पौधे ही होते हैं और वो थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड होता है, ठीक है? वो बड़े होते हैं. Then बीन्स मीन्स हम जो बीन्स खाते हैं, राजमा, ठीक है, तरह तरह के बीन्स होते हैं, तो वो भी क्लाइंबर है, ठीक है, चढ़ते हैं, बेल बनकर वो अपना फ्रूट्स और फ्लावर्स देते हैं। ग्रेप वाइन अंगूर का पेड़ या श्रब्स या हर्ब्स होता नहीं है, वो बेल बनकर वो अपना फ्रूट्स देती है। ओके, सो these are the examples which I am writing here. Okay, these are called climbers, जो दूसरों के मतलब दूसरे पेड़ पौधे की या ग्राउंड की मदद लेके it grows up, that is called climbers. Okay, climbers have weak stems. ये जो stems which I yesterday explained you in the video, these are called stem. Okay, it is not strong like tree. जैसे पेड़ों के जो स्टेम होते हैं वो बहुत ही स्टिक और स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, लेकिन क्लाइंबर्स के होते नहीं है, वो बहुत ही पतले, हम जैसे इसे पकड़ेंगे टूट जाएगा, ब्रोकन डाउन। These plants cannot stand by themselves. It needs support. Okay, it needs support. Then only it will grow and it will climb up. As I told you that you can see here, this plant has taken the support of the tree. Without the support of this tree, it cannot grow. Otherwise, it will spread. It will start spreading on the ground. So, climbers always need a support to grow up. These plants need a support to climb up. So, call them climbers. So, we call them climbers. ये इतने ही नहीं है. Not only these pictures. So many climbers are there, like bitter gourd. Without support it cannot grow. हम उसे support देते हैं तो वो उसके ऊपर चढ़ के अपना fruits देती है, right? Like money plant. So many climbers are there. Later I will write it on the board. What are the what is called the climbers are there. Okay. So now we will conclude this lesson and I will again repeat all the topics. So let us revise all 4 types of plants which we have studied in this lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Plants life, right? So different 4 types of plants we have studied here. First is tree, second shrub, third one herbs and fourth one climber. So one by one I am going to put the picture over here. What is this? This is called tree, right? So I am going to put the picture over here. This is tree. Second, what we have learned about the shrub. This is called shrub, right? So I'm going to put the picture here. Then third, we have studied about the herbs. That is this herbs. छोटे छोटे होते हैं, shrub से भी छोटा, right? So I'm going to put the picture over here, right? Our third one is climber. This is called climbers, right? So I'm going to put the picture over here. So these are the 4 types of plants we have studied. The first one is tree, right? Second one is known as shrub, right? Then this one is herbs, right? And what is this? जो बेल चढ़ जाते हैं पेड़ों के ऊपर कहीं पर भी, that is called climbers, right? So the 4 types of plants: tree, shrub, herb and climber, right? Now we will study about the parts of plants. Okay, there are different plants parts of the plants are there, but what do we call them? Let us understand through this picture. I have drawn one plant here. Okay, so different parts are there. Okay, but what do we call them? Let us understand. Okay, so first picture, I am going to this? What is the color of this? Can you identify what is this? Yes, this is called leaf. So this is called leaf. Say what is the color of the leaf? It is green in color. इसे क्या कहते हैं हम? पत्ता. So this is what is the color of the leaf? Green, right? So I'm going to put the picture over here. Okay? So this is called leaf, right? What is the color of the leaf? Green. Now next arrow. What is this? कुछ फूल जैसा दिख रहा है. Yes, correct. What is the gap? Yes, this is called flower. What is this? Flower. एक पेड़ बनता है या एक छोटा सा प्लांट होता है तो वो पहला उगता है, उसके ऊपर पत्ते लगते हैं and then it gives small bud and then it becomes turn into flowers, right? So this is I'm going to put the picture over here. Okay, so this is called flower, right? Now third picture. Before becoming a flower, it becomes a small bud. Okay, एक छोटा सा bud होता है. Okay, जो flower बनने से पहले क्या होता है? छोटा सा bud होता है. That is called. This is called. Okay, वो flower बनने से ऐसा दिखता है. See, like this. This is called bud. B-U-D, bud. So I'm going to put the picture over here. Okay, what it's called? B-U-D, bud. Okay, our next picture. After flower, what it turns? वो क्या बनते हैं उसमें plants में? Fruits. Okay, so this is called fruit. Okay, so I'm going to put the picture over here. So I'm writing F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Now ये जो जमीन पे फैल चुके हैं, ये हमारा जमीन है, ठीक है? These are the soil. ये जो मिट्टी होती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? SOIL, soil. जिससे उसे बहुत सारे मिनरल्स और अलग तरह के मिनरल्स मिलते हैं जिससे वो ग्रो करता है, right? So this something has spreaded under the ground which makes the plant strong. So what it's called? This is called root. What it's called? It is called root. Can you see the picture here? Yes. So ये picture root का है जो जमीन के अंदर तक जाकर वो पेड़ को या जो छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है और वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने के बाद ही वो सीधे खड़े रहता है. So this is called root, right? I'm going to put the picture over here. So this is called root. Okay? So now on the board there are so many different pictures are there, right? So this is first one. There are 4 types of plants. That is called tree, shrub, then herb and climber. Okay? The trees are tall, big and strong. These shrubs are it grows in a certain heights only. Its stems are not so strong like tree. It has single stem. Okay? Then herbs it is smaller than shrubs. Okay? Then it comes only in the season wise. It is a season wise. It grows season wise only. Then climber. This climbers grows depend on a support of another tree or a ground. Understood? So now come to the parts of plants. We have seen this picture. What is this first picture? This is called leaf. Then second is bud. Then third is flower. Fourth one is what is called fruit. Fourth one is fruit, and the last one is root. Okay, but the important thing we forgot, that is which grows straightly. This is called stem. As I told yes in the video, this is called stem, जिसके ऊपर वो पेड़ या पौधे खड़े रहते हैं. And these are the small stems. Okay. So in the parts of plant, what we have learned: leaf, flower, bud, fruit, stem, and root. Right? Understood? So कितनी सारी चीजें हमने सीखी है इस पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट से? लीफ, बड, फ्लावर, फ्रूट, स्टेम, root. So I hope you understood the whole lesson, okay, and you will revise at home. If you have any doubt, just please put a message on our school WhatsApp number, okay.